Travel the world with Brandon. Today we explore 3 cities rebuilt after destruction. Several cities have experienced major historical events and, as a result, have undertaken comprehensive reconstruction efforts. Across the world, wars, earthquakes, fires, and disasters have wiped entire cities from the map. Streets vanished. Buildings collapsed. Lives shattered. However, instead of disappearing, these cities rose again, rebuilt from ruins, memory, and resilience. Warsaw, Poland. During World War II, nearly 85% of the city was destroyed. The historic old town was purposely flattened. After the war, with limited resources and immense loss, citizens made a remarkable decision. They would rebuild Warsaw exactly as it was. Using old paintings, photographs, and even postcards, they reconstructed streets and buildings brick by brick. Today, Warsaw's old town is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Not because it survived, but because it was rebuilt from memory. Hiroshima, Japan. In 1945, the first atomic bomb ever used in warfare erased much of the city of Hiroshima in seconds. Looking at the devastation, many believed Hiroshima would never recover. Instead, it was rebuilt as a modern city centered on peace and commemoration. The Hiroshima Peace Memorial stands as a reminder of the past, not to glorify destruction, but to ensure it is never repeated. Lisbon, Portugal. In 1755, a massive earthquake followed by fires and a tsunami devastated the city. Rather than rebuilding randomly, Lisbon's leaders redesigned the city with wide streets, open squares, and one of the earliest earthquake-resistant building systems in the world. The modern city that emerged became a blueprint for urban planning. These cities prove that destruction doesn't always mean the end. Sometimes it's the beginning of something stronger. A city rebuilt not just in stone, but in spirit. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more travel content. Thanks for watching, see you on the next adventure, and keep exploring.